salty, cherry raspberry.
What is this? I'm sorry.
We have sweet and salty,
Yeah.
cherry raspberry, caramel, cheddar, cinnamon twist crunch, sweet and spicy, and butter.
Cheers to the weekend! Listen, I don't know about you, but I am living for the weekends anymore. Anyway, hey babes, welcome back. It is Sharice here, living for the city. And this weekend, we are really living for the city because we're about to get out of here. So it is Saturday. I have a lot of errands to run today, and you're gonna go along with me because it's gonna be some really cool stuff that we're gonna see in the city. I wanna go down to the Italian market, which is down in South Philly. I need to go there. I have a couple of other errands to run, so we'll do that. And then I'm gonna pick up Barb, and there's a couple spots I wanna go to, a couple consignment shops because we're looking for some outdoor furniture for the deck. But there's a whole bunch of things that we need to run around and do today. And so I'm gonna share with you some of the really cool things in the city. So these are places that if you're from Philly, you know about, but if you're not really from Philly, you won't know about them, number one. But number two, you won't even think to ask about them just because, I mean, they're just not things that you would normally think of. So that is the plan for this weekend. We're just gonna get out, see some things that we wouldn't typically see, that I'm gonna share with you about Philly, and then we're gonna relax tomorrow. I'll probably have brunch, see a couple sites in the city. So we're really just gonna do some exploring this weekend with errands on top of it. How's that? So let's get dressed, let's get ready, and let's get out of here. Here we go. Hi, cutie. Hi. look.
Hi. How are y'all doing?
Good, how are you? Oh God. I gotta do better. I really gotta do better. This is just not good. Anybody else want anything? Gosh. Those are peanut butter. I can already tell you. Is that white chocolate macadamia?
Yes.
Jesus. Okay. face. Look at this. Cute little face.